Did you know that colors can completely transform the look and feel of your home? In today's video, we're diving into the power of color theory in interior design. Welcome back to Visionary Designs. Today, we're exploring how color theory can impact your interior design and help you create a stylish and cohesive home. Many people struggle with choosing the right color combinations for their home. It can be challenging to know which colors work well together and how to use them to create the desired mood and aesthetic. In this video, we'll address these common issues and provide you with the knowledge and tools to make confident color choices. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home design tips and inspiration. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. The color wheel and types of colors. Primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. These are the building blocks of all other colors. For example, in a living room, you might use a bold red accent wall paired with a blue couch and yellow throw pillows to create a vibrant and dynamic space. Secondary colors, orange, green, and purple, created by mixing primary colors. Imagine a bedroom with soft green walls, a deep purple bedspread, and orange accent pieces, creating a harmonious and inviting atmosphere. Tertiary colors, created by mixing a primary color with a secondary color, resulting in hues like red, orange, or blue-green. These colors add complexity and interest. For instance, a dining room with a blue-green wall, red-orange chairs, and neutral tableware can feel both sophisticated and lively. Color harmonies, complementary colors. Colors opposite each other on the color wheel, such as blue and orange. They create high contrast and vibrant looks. For example, a kitchen with blue cabinets and orange bar stools can feel energetic and fun. Analogous colors. Colors next to each other on the color wheel, like blue, blue-green, and green. They create a harmonious and serene look. Picture a bathroom with varying shades of blue and green tiles, towels, and accessories, evoking a calming, spa-like atmosphere. Triadic colors. 3 colors evenly spaced around the color wheel, such as red, yellow, and blue. This scheme offers a balanced and vibrant palette. A kid's playroom with red, yellow, and blue elements can feel joyful and stimulating, perfect for creative activities. Now let's take a look at some stunning examples of how these elements come together. Choosing the right colors can completely transform your home's look and feel, enhancing the overall aesthetic. By understanding color theory, you can create a stylish and cohesive space. Try out new color combinations in your own home and share your experiences in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home design tips and inspiration.